Welcome to Python Science. My name is Furkan. Today we are going to learn ternary operators in Python. Ternary operators are also known as three-piece operators are used for single-line conditional assignments. If you have a condition for assigning some value, you can use ternary operators in a single line. You will also get this code from my GitHub profile. I will share the link in the description. You can go there and you can download it. There are two basic representations in Python for ternary operators. One is an explicit form, the other one is an implicit form. I will use four values here to make some conditional assignments, and we are going to do some conditional operations with these numbers. So first one, we will take it easy and we will have two numbers, k and d, 6 and 5, and we will find the maximum number from these numbers. What are we doing here? If-else statement, it's a conditional operation. If k is bigger than d, then the result will be k because it is a maximum value. Else, it will be d. You can do if-else statement like this, shown here, in a single line, and you can assign to a variable. So we will just output this value. Also, there is another form for this conditional operation. We can use tuple with d and k. If k is bigger than d, it will be k, the truth value here, and the false value is here. All of these are the same. The result will be the same. They are the different expression for the same thing. Here we are giving a dictionary for true and false values for this comparison, and we are taking if it's true, k bigger than d, then the maximum value is k, and if it's false, it will be d. These three are doing the same thing. I just show you the different ways of using ternary operator in Python. Can we use nested ternary operators? Yes, we can. But it's not recommended because you cannot follow up the whole thing going on inside this code. It will be a little bit messier, and I just need to change this one. So first we are taking k to d, taking the maximum value, then we are checking d to m and taking the maximum value from there. Then we are checking m to n to find the maximum value of these four numbers. We have also this notification doing the same thing. So these are the nested ones. So finding the middle value of three numbers, we can use multiple conditions in this ternary operator. It's allowed to use as many as you want to use. Here, what are we going to do? We are going to check if k bigger than d and k smaller than m, if the k is the middle value. And we have an OR statement for the reverse version of this. If one of these true, it will return true. The k will be the middle value of our tree number. Else it will return false. Like both of these conditions are false, then we will get the false value. So let's run it from here. So I told you that these three will give the same result as the maximum number of k and d, 5 and 6. It will give the 6. This is also the nested loop. It will give us the maximum value in all of these values. It just gives 97. And here we are taking only the three numbers from there, from k, d, l. There is no l. I just put that, okay, I just corrected. Let's run it. The maximum value from k, d, and m. It will be 34, as you can see from here, the maximum value. Also, we have the middle value. If it's middle value, it will return true. If it's not the middle value, then it will throw false. So we were looking at this. If I make 1 in this code, it will throw false because 1 will be the smallest value, not in the middle. 1, 5, and 34. It will go like that. So let's go to the description again. In the first method, we have the true value before if, and then we have if with a conditional expression or expressions like and or. You can put multiple conditions here, and an else statement with the false value. If this conditions or this condition or these conditions are false, then it will return this value. Also, we can use something like this. If this one is false and this one is true, then the value will be this. So we have to put some parentheses here, otherwise it won't work. Then we have the second conditional operation here. If this one is also false, we will give this value. Like here, we have one conditional operation here. If k is bigger than d, it will be k. If d is bigger than k, then it will be d. And here we are comparing d with m. If d bigger than m, then it will be the result of this one. Otherwise, it will be m. Like this one is false, then it will be m. So here we are giving that. On the second expression, we have tuple and a conditional expression or expressions with and or. You can just put something like that here, like or d is bigger than m. You can do something like this also in here. Using parentheses is preferable because it won't make you missing something in there. So in this conditional expression, if it's true, it will take this value, not this one. Remember that. If it's false, then it will return this one. Also, you can use dictionary for that. You will have conditional expression, and untrue, it will return this, and unfalse, it will return that one. Let's try something else. Ternary for switch case. Let's say if it's 6, print out happy, and if it's 5, then print out sad, and if it's 34, print out woe. And here we will give k, and let's print out this value. This basically imitates the switch case operator. When you give some value here, like 2, 3, 4, or any other string variable, anything, you can use a dictionary to pick item from in this dictionary. If it's 6, say happy. If it's 5, say sad. So you can imitate switch case operation with the ternary operator. Because in Python, there is no switch case statement. In any other language, you can encounter with that operator, but in Python, we don't have that. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more videos like this. If you like this video, click on the like button. And if you have any question, just throw them on the comment section and I will answer. Thank you for watching.